Hey guys, I want to tell you about this experience I had with a reverse phone lookup system and how it helped me drastically and actually saved my life. So somebody was literally harassing me. I was an unknown caller and I couldn't get to the bottom of it. I answered the phone and he would just say all these horrible things to me, how he knows where I live, and it was just very scary and frustrating. And me being a female, I was just very nervous. So I found this service my friend recommended to me, and the link is in the description of the video, or you can enter the URL at the end of this video. And pretty much they saved my life. That's all I have to say. I highly recommend it. I was able to see the phone number who was calling me. We were able to track him down. The police were able to find him. So thank God. And yeah, so I definitely recommend. Again, the link is in the description, or you can just click the URL at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, guys.